interesting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Bro me's I'm just an old fart having fun. In my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do, heck, I even love ya, grow me's.
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Thursday, April the 9th. We're up in the Spider Farmer with our little GG number 4. It is day 4 of week 2 for her. Let me get you on this stand. Okay, ducky. Sticking to my little water schedule. She will get 150 mils today. Got a damn drop of water down there smeared my ink. I don't like that. Yep. We got, I got my water pH out at 6.14. I ain't gonna try to get any closer than that, or I'll just be going yo, 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 yo. That is close enough. I'll hit her with 150 mils, and then we'll go into the grow room, water up the seedlings, and bump the pH up to 6.5, and take care of the little Miss American Gangster. And she will get her next watering Monday. We'll hit her with 200 mils Monday. Tally ho, and away we go. Okie dokie. These are our lineup for the outdoor grow. We're gonna just call Miss K's little blanket 2.0. We're just gonna call her day 1 of week 1 today. I'm gonna give her 60 mils. She's not quite there yet, but I think we'll be right to call it. First one didn't make it. And all the rest of the ladies in here are hopefully ladies, calves or rigs. I really hope this one right here is a damn film. 'Cause that's a dandy. Got some broad ass leaves on that bitch. My kind of flavor right there, boys. They all look good though. They all look good. Everybody looking good. And for the rest of these kids, it is day 1 of week 2. And they're gonna all get 100 mils. These will not go through my full watering schedule, just for the fact that they won't be able to, 600 mils is about as much as these little small pots can hold. And I'm probably gonna start feeding them next week. I'll be dropping back the liquid on everything next week. No dry amendments for these kids. Just gonna take care of them until I can get them outdoors. Get them as big as I can stand it in here and get them the fuck outside. I'm trying to mentally prepare myself for the major ass whipping I'm going to be receiving. Oh, God, I don't know why I do it outdoors every year. It kicks my ass, kids. It's in the fucking blood. I guess I'm just going to die getting my ass kicked. You know how them bad habits are. They're hard to break. I do come in the mornings. Of course, I didn't do it this morning because I'm gonna water them, but I do mist my soil surfaces. Mist, just to keep it from drying out too bad. I'll give it a mist in the morning, give it a mist in the evening. Other than that, I stick to the water schedule. First 2 weeks of life are the most crucial. So if you're going to fuck up your plant, you're going to do it in the first 2 weeks. Overwatering or underwatering? Photo period is not so bad, but because you can recover. You can't recover on an autoflower. Of course, these are all photos. Oh my God. I ain't heard from Miss K. She done gone off the radar on me. Getting a little worried about her. You run across her, tell her to give me a fucking yell. Couple unresponded emails. Getting worried about my girl. We're getting up there in age. Okay, dokey. Let's jump on over to the 3x3 and give our little American Gangster some water. And we'll be good to go. Back in flash. Well, hold on. Yeah, hold on. Okay, dokey. Our little American Gangster. She is day 1 of week 10 from seed to day. 63 days old. Gotta get back here. Just that fan. And that's one of my flowering branches. And I'm trying to get it to where it blows up. Get that fan to blow up a little bit. Same thing over here. That's our other flowering branch. And I can see a little bit of shriveling going on. That could be from me bumping into it, but I think we're starting to get a little pollen tossing around. Look, doggy. Yeah, I can't wait to get some seeds off of this girl. She's doing okay, buckwheat. Yeah, I'm not going to put y'all through the watering. In fact, I just remembered I didn't bump my pH up. So I need to take my water back in there and bump it up to 6.5. And I'll come in and give her some water. I've been butt chugging 500 mils every day and 1,000 mils in the top. Oh, I can't wait to get y'all some of these beans. She's a dandy. She is a dandy. Got more bud washing to do. Part 2 be coming out sometime the damn day. If I survive this morning. Have a fantastic day, groomies. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.